Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Nintendo games on your Android device. First, you'll need to understand that this process involves using an emulator, which is a software program that mimics a game console. You'll also need game ROMs, which are digital copies of the game cartridges. We'll cover selecting the right emulator, finding game files, and setting everything up for a smooth gaming experience on your phone or tablet. Choosing the right emulator is a crucial first step. There are many options available, each designed for different Nintendo consoles. For example, if you want to play GameCube or Wii games, Dolphin is a highly recommended choice. For Nintendo 3DS titles, Citra is a popular and effective emulator. Always check reviews and compatibility to ensure the emulator works well with your specific Android device and the games you want to play. Once you have your emulator, the next step is to acquire game ROMs. These are the digital files of the games themselves. It's important to note that, legally, you should only download ROMs for games you already own. After obtaining your ROMs, you'll need to transfer them to your Android device. Create a dedicated folder for your games to keep them organized and easily accessible for your chosen emulator. With your emulator installed and ROMs ready, it's time to set up and play. Open your emulator app and navigate its settings to locate your game ROMs folder. Most emulators offer extensive customization for controls, allowing you to use on-screen buttons or connect a Bluetooth controller. Adjust video and audio settings for the best experience, and don't forget to utilize save states to pause your game at any point. Enjoy your classic Nintendo games on the go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.